How to get more orders on Skip the Dishes application. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll teach you how you can get more orders on Skip the Dishes application. So the first step is to sign into your Skip the Dishes application, just like I have done here. And then on this page, you'll see your delivery point, your pickup point, and then you'll see the different things that you can get on the Skip the Dishes app. And some of these include convenience flowers, pet supplies, gifts. By the time you scroll down, you see diverse kind of foods from different restaurants that you can get. And then once you can see this, the next step is to look at the lower part of the screen where you can see different icons. Each of these icons represents things that you can do on your Skill the Dishes app. Then the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profiles page where you can see your profile name, a number, and the email address. And by the time you scroll down, you can see Drive with Skip become a courier. So for you to get more orders on Skip, you have to first of all become a driver. So once you click on become a courier, you'll be asked to fill in some details, login and all of that. Go ahead and log in. And then once you're logged in, you'll be given specific shifts of a specific schedule determining when and where you'll be working. All right, so for you to get more orders is not difficult. Just ensure you check out the shift, the days where you're on shift, or the time you're on shift, and then the time when you're free. So whenever you're free, ensure you're active on the page and be ready to accept any orders that are being placed. All right, so that's basically how you can get it, by being active always on the Skip application, such that no order would pass you by. So but the first step is by becoming a driver with courier and be ready to put in the work. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.